Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing free movie app which is way better than Netflix. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search, and in here, in the search bar, you need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Click on Downloader, and now here's the app that you need to get to your Fire TV stick. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings on your Fire Stick. So we click this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you need to do is turn on developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. So open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then you have to go to install on apps. And in here, what you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's finally go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. There it is, we opened up. And here is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we head straight back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. There it is, let's open it. And then of course open up Downloader. Wait a bit for the app to load for you. And now what you have to do is on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. And now there in the search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which will be 71261. So once again, 71261. That is the code you have to enter. Then you're gonna click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And now the download has started. Literally took us only a couple of seconds to download the app. Then we have to install it. So click on installation button and wait a bit for the app to finish installing. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, we'll open it, and here you'll find the app which we just downloaded. It's called Movie HD. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then let's finally open the app. And when you launch the app, you might get a message to update the application or to enter any kind of code, but that's not necessary nor mandatory, so you just can click on cancel and close down those messages, because the app will work fine without doing anything else. And here you'll get access to thousands of movies as well as TV shows, probably even more than you would find on Netflix. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app, but in your case, of course, it is not going to be blurry. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.